I'm getting married in the morning. I took off my engagement ring. It was the night before my wedding. That was the night we started running.
Why would you need comforting?
I nearly died alone in the dark. I couldn't open my eyes, and it made me think about what I want, about who I want.